Welcome to Lecture 10. You are going to learn more about group dynamics, and then in the next lecture, you'll learn more about team dynamics. Your learning objectives for this lecture are to show how role requirements change in different situations, demonstrate how norms, status, and size influence people's behavior in group settings, explain how cohesiveness and size affect group performance, and contrast the strengths and weaknesses of different types of group decision-making. A group is two or more people who are connected by social ties. The members interact, they have a shared purpose, their roles are interdependent, the group has structure, and the members are cohesive in some way. Some groups are more formal, while other groups are more informal. Formal groups are defined by the organization, by its structure and the way that work tasks are assigned. The organization then dictates what behaviors groups should engage in and how they should work toward the organization's goals. Many work groups are formal, but some work groups are more informal in that they don't have a structure, they're not determined by the organization, but instead they form naturally in the work environment in response to their needs and interests. They may eat lunch with people who have similar interests. They may find mentors who they can learn from. Social network analysis is a process that can help us identify these informal groups and track how they communicate with other people in the organization. The main idea is that not all groups are easily identified. There are pockets of social influence that exist within these informal groups.